Welcome to my week 8 JavaScript assignment. So today I created a menu app with a few different options here. I started off by creating a class of car with a constructor, which creates and initializes an instance of a class. In this case, I have make and model. So then I also created a class called menu with an empty constructor and then an empty array for cars. So I can add as many cars as needed to my array. I also added a method to add a car. And what I did here is I am prompting the user to enter a car make and then a car model for every single car that we add. And then I pushed this array so we're able to see it when we type that in. I also have a method to delete a car. So I did a similar scenario here. I'm prompting the user to enter the car index to delete. So zero-based indexing, I could do 0, 1, 2, 3, however many I have in the array. And then I also have an if and an else. So if the car index is more or greater than or equal to 0 and the car index is less than the length of the car array, then I'm able to delete my car. I also included the splice method, which car index is the starting index and 1 is the number of elements I want to remove. So in our case, it would just be 1. And if I'm not typing in any of those specific numbers that I defined, then it will show invalid index. I also have a method to view all cars. So I did a for loop here. We start at 0 and we are adding 1 to the array. Oh, I is less than or equal to the length of the car array, adding 1 each time. And then I have some template literals here, uh, just a nice way to display the car's make and the car's model when we enter the data. Then we have an alert showing the main menu. That's what you see here. Main menu has exit menu, add car, delete car, and view all cars. So we have all the information needed for this main menu then. But lastly, we need to start the menu. So we have this dot show main menu while the selection is not 0. If it's 0, then we're going to get this alert exiting menu, goodbye. So basically, our answer needs to fit within one of these cases, case 1, 2, or 3. So add, delete, or view cars. And then the very last thing we need to do is instantiate the menu so we can interact with it. Let menu equals new menu. So each time we want a new menu and then menu dot start to really get it going. And okay, I will say I might have to reshare my screen each time for you to see what I see, but let's just add car. Okay, I'm adding a car. It shows enter car make. Let me see if my screen is, I just got to reshare it each time. So car make, um, Ford, okay, car model, Ford Edge, okay, and then I want to add another car. Uh, my screen probably is not showing this, but I'm adding Toyota Camry. And then I'll reshare. I want to view my cars. View cars. So now I see 0 Ford Edge and 1 Toyota Camry. And now it's 0-based indexing, so that's why Ford Edge is 0. I think I want to delete a car, so I'm gonna type in, and I have to keep resharing this. Okay, 2. And then it says enter car index to delete. And I think I want to delete the Toyota Camry. So I'm going to enter the index and I hit 1. And then I'm going to view again. Oh, 1 second here. And I see Ford Edge. And now, lastly, I'll exit the menu, hit 0, and then it shows exiting menu. Goodbye. Thank you.